Welcome back to my channel Roaming Cuisine. This Bhindi Masala recipe replicates the one that is served in the restaurants. Some restaurants also serve a gravy version of this dish, but my recipe is that of semi-dry one, so let's get started. Wash and dry all bhindis and quickly chop it off this way. Look at the size of each piece and fry them till they cook well. This recipe actually made in a tangy and spiced masala based of onion, tomatoes, ground spices and herbs. The spice combination that I have used in this recipe is often added to many other recipes from the Punjabi cuisine. Now dry roast few spices as mentioned in the description box below. Now take a blender and quickly blend all dry roasted ingredients with 2 tomatoes. And give this mixture aside. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadhai or pan. Add some cumin seeds followed by a cup of chopped onion and 2 green chilies. Now let it cook till they turn little brown and add the entire mixture with a salt and turmeric powder. You can add a tablespoon of water, and after allowing it to cook for 10 minutes, you will start noticing that oil has started releasing from the gravy. At this moment, add all the fried bhindis and give a good mix. And here we are ready with our simple yet quick Bhindi Masala recipe. Do give it a try at least once and let me know how it turns out for you. Do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until next time, happy cooking!